Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are here today, guys. We have a double unboxing, right? I feel like every time I do an unboxing, it's like a double unboxing. But we have a double unboxing for you today of two Louis Vuitton items. Now guys, one of these items is certainly a wish list item and one of them is sort of not, right? So on my wish list, I did say that I wasn't going to get any more SLGs this year, but I also said that I was going to get a piece in reverse monogram. So I've done both of those things today with what I'm going to show you. And I think I have also decided that I'm not going to do a no buy list for the year anymore because things change. As opportunities present themselves, things change. And so today I am going to show you two items that I got from Louis Vuitton, guys. I am so excited about both of these. And so I'm not gonna ramble, guys. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Louis Vuitton releases tons of SLGs all the time. And I've gotten the key pouch small. I got that one this year and I thought I was good. But guys, there is an SLG that I have from Louis Vuitton that I've had for a really long time. And I love it. But one of the reasons why I wanted this one is the same reason why I wanted the key pouch small, because I have the key pouch original and I love it. It's probably my #1 SLG, but there were some challenges I had with it because of the size of it. And so the key pouch small just kind of resolved all of those issues. I know that I'm a classics girl through and through. I like the tried and true. And no matter how many new things come and they're shiny and all these things, my heart belongs to the classic Louis Vuitton items. And so that's what this one is. I did get this item pre-loved from Rebag, and I did mention this in another video, so if you've been watching me, this may come as no surprise what this one is, but let's go ahead and unbox her. And here she is, guys. So I got the Louis Vuitton Key Pouch GM. Now, when this was made, it was called the Key Pouch GM, but I think since they have another Louis Vuitton Cosmetics pouch GM, I will put a picture up of that new model that they have. It's actually nothing like this, and I thought about getting that Louis Vuitton Cosmetics pouch GM, but I saw a lot of reviews on it. Ultimately, I changed my mind. It's just not, it wasn't what I wanted. Maybe called the large cosmetics pouch. Now I'll put the name of it now on the screen. But yeah, guys, I got this because I have the small cosmetics pouch PM and I've just wanted this one for a really long time. I mean, I love the dome style of this. Because of the dome style, I will say you can't fit as much into these pouches, but this one would just really allow me, it's more versatile for me in this size. I love the small size, but guys, I carry totes. I carry large bags, so I can have large cosmetics pouches. And so again, let me let you see on the inside, perfection. Almost looks brand new on the inside. There is one pouch right here, if you can see that. And then this one pouch, I have all of the tags in here that it came with. There we are. Hold on. The price that it was sold for, $675, okay? Okay guys, and just like with my Louis Vuitton Speedy 35, the Damier Azur, I got this from Rebag. I joined the Rebag R Plus program and it's turned out to be very beneficial for me. But let me tell you how much I got this bag for. Okay, so this bag, and I'll put a picture on the screen, it was listed for $775. So this bag was actually listed for more than the purchase cost is. And that happens sometimes, guys. You can make a profit on luxury items. That's not every case at all, but sometimes you can. I had a discount on here of $119. I think they were having like a 15% off discount. And then it says in Rebag credits used, I had $441 in credits used. So guys, how that happened is that I sold a couple of items to Rebag, and let me tell you what I sold. So I sold a Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. I also sold a slim monogram wallet. I just was not reaching for these wallets at all, so I sold them. So the nice thing about that R Plus program is that you get a like 5% increase on the funds from the things that you sell. So I got a little bit of a bonus there. And if that if the money stays in my wallet, like I don't use it, then I will also, after about 12 months or something, I will get another percent bonus on that money. But that never happens with me because I pretty much buy things as soon as I sell things. So I sold those two things and I got a discount, and I was able to get this one. So this for me will be a cosmetics pouch, toiletry pouch, makeup pouch that I will use inside of my bags. And I have had the smaller one for a really long time, so I know how to fill this and not overfill this. But with this size, it just gives me so many more options. So I'm gonna pack this, and I'll show you guys, maybe do a pack with me in terms of how I pack this cosmetics case. You can see here, it's just perfect. The zipper is perfect, just goes so smoothly, right? So smooth. The vachetta is very light on this, so that will patina over time, but absolutely no marks on the vachetta. Yeah, so no bells and whistles, guys. Everyone knows this pouch. I'm just happy to have it in my collection. So this is the first item that I secured. And then the next item, guys, I told you in a couple of my videos that I had the opportunity to get a wish list item, which is right here. I want to thank Ebony from Forever Ebony. If you don't subscribe to her channel, definitely subscribe to her channel. I love her whole inventory, her whole collection of bags. She does unboxing. She gets like the latest, greatest bags. She tries them out so we don't have to. So yeah, follow her. But I also follow Ebony on Instagram, and I saw that she posted that she had this item on sale, and the price was unbelievable. Definitely discounted over the price in the boutique. She wasn't using it. It was just sitting around, just like the bags that I had that I sold. They were doing the same. Ebony shipped this out quickly. She shipped it out one day. I think I got it the next day. Like, she was so awesome, and I'm thrilled to have this. So guys, I told you I wanted a reverse monogram piece, and this is my first reverse monogram piece, and I'm happy to have this. So let's go ahead and unbox her. I'm so excited. She's so beautiful. And I have the reverse monogram coin purse or coin pouch from Louis Vuitton. There it is. She's gorgeous. She is perfect. I think Ebony said she bought this in May, and you can see she is perfect. It says Louis Vuitton right there on the little button there, and you open her and all of the receipts are included in here. Yeah, that's the style number for it. And yeah, so this is a coin pouch. It certainly can be used as a wallet. You open it, it has a middle compartment. It has two card slot compartments, one there and then one there. And then it also has a card slot compartment right on the front part of that big opening. And then here you can put coins in it. It's just the cutest, perfect, most compact SLG I swear I have ever seen. And that's the pocket on the back. So guys, I have a collection of SLGs, but I don't have anything in reverse monogram, and this is the perfect kind of starter piece for me to get me into reverse monogram. I am such a classic monogram girl that it's hard for me to veer away from that, and this certainly allows me to do it without getting too extreme. I love the little leather piece that's on the zipper pull. I just love that, you know, the functionality. The zipper is like butter on here, and she's just perfect. So I could not be happier with my two pieces from Louis Vuitton. I plan to begin to use them immediately because I have been literally holding on to these pieces because I wanted to unbox them with all of you. But now, guys, they are going to be in heavy rotation and I cannot wait to use them to show you how I incorporate them into my bags. And they just bring me so much joy, especially because of the deals that I was able to get on both of these. I am just so grateful and so excited to present these to you guys. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope you have a happy, safe, and healthy week, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.